In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and verify Sendwave account in USA. First, open the Sendwave app and tap Sign Up. Type in your full legal name and your email address. Next, tap the little flag next to the phone field to pick your country code. Use the search bar or scroll to select United States so the correct code fills in automatically. Enter your mobile number carefully. This is where Sendwave will send your verification code, so make sure the number is active and able to receive texts. You'll also be asked where you're sending money first. Choose the destination country you plan to use so fees and rates display correctly. Check the box to accept the terms, then tap Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Keep an eye on your text messages and enter the code exactly as shown. Now create a secure PIN for your account. Choose a number you can remember, but others won't guess. Confirm it once more, and you'll see a message that your account has been created. Keep this PIN safe. You'll use it to authorize transfers. From the dashboard, you can start a transfer. Tap Recipient, pick the payment method type, and choose Bank Transfer. Enter your recipient's full name and their mobile number. You'll be asked to retype the number to avoid typos. Use the name exactly as it appears on their bank account to prevent delays. Tap Save, then continue to send. Because you're new, identity verification is required. Enter your full name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your ID and select the purpose of your account. Tap Finish and continue. Choose your country, select the type of document you'll use, and go through the prompts to start. Capture clear photos of your document in good lighting with all corners visible and no glare. Remove sleeves or covers from the ID if needed. Submit the photo, then record a short video selfie so the app can match your face to your ID. Follow the on-screen guidance. Keep your face centered, and when you're done, continue to send. The review may take a moment. You'll be notified when it's approved. Next, add a payment method. Select debit or credit card, enter your card details, and fill in your billing address, including zip code, city, and state. Make sure this matches your bank records to avoid declines. Tap Continue, choose the payment method you just added, and continue to send. Review the transfer details, including fees and exchange rate, and when everything looks correct, tap Confirm Transfer. That's it. Your Sendwave account is set up, verified, and ready to use. You can track transfer status from the dashboard and send again anytime with your saved recipients and payment method.